bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, fears. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin gan bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Iyesiota. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Bàbá olóyin bus stop Iyesiota. I'm the publisher of 50 Ways of Visioning, Honors in Medicine, Solution to Human Problems, Honors in Medicine, African Power is my latest book. See there. This is Honors in Medicine, and this is the latest book, African Power. African Power. This is Healing Power of Honey. This is Solution to Human Problems. All these books, you can get them as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. You can get them on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. But they are not yet on Amazon. Yes, they are not on Amazon. In future, if I boost to be there, I will inform you. This is Looking Mirror. Yes. How you can use it to control your destiny. How you can use Looking Mirror to get what you need. I will tell you today. Get seated. Get seated. This one is different from how to get back your runaway wife or husband. It's very different. It's different. It's different from the one I told you is going to be a new book. But how you can use this one to receive favor, to receive mercy, to do many things. And some people are calling me, when is African Power Part 2 coming out? Be patient. And we announce the date it will be coming out, but not yet. Some of the things are posted free of charge. And those who came to me, who came to see me personally, I've told them, they have tried it, they gave me positive results. So it's going to be in the new book. So African Power, Part 2, it's going to be there. Just wait for me. Some people are giving me positive results on what I've already taught them when they visited me. I used to tell some people, you don't need to come and see me. All the things you needed, all the things that you are in need, I can say, they are in the books. Somebody said, Baba, I want to come and see you. Which book did you buy from me? Nothing. I tell you, don't need to see me. Come and buy my book. Some people, when they just listed some problems, I used to ask them, which of my books are. But they say nothing. I'm only enjoying you on YouTube. I've been following you for the past 6 months, 8 months. Some people will tell me they have been following me for the past 8 years. I've been on YouTube for the past 10 years. Yes, I've been on YouTube for long. But some people will just be telling me, I've been following you, I'm a subscriber. Subscriber, follow without buying anything. I don't tolerate it. I don't like it. Some people will call you, I used to share your program. Which would you do by? I bought nothing. Okay, you bought nothing. And the same set of people you are sharing to, you expect them to be disturbing me with questions. Disturbing me with question, without buying anything. There's no way that one can be done. Yes. I'm a publisher of 50 Ways of Visioning, Honors in Medicine, African Power. They are not on Amazon. You can't get them on Amazon yet. They are not yet on Amazon. You can get my books, all my 4 books. You can get them as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. Or you can come to Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesiota. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesiota. Or you go to my agency in the town. You can go to Mushin, number 4, Lokola Street, Mushin. You can go to Ikoto Egbe, number 2, Famous Obu Street, Oja Gudru, Egbe. You can go to Bariga, number 36, Lajeru, Bariga. You can go to Surulere, number 5C, Akirele Street Extension, opposite Power Holding, Akirele Surulere. At Oshodi, you can go to number 6 Everett Way, number 6 Everett Way, Alasia bus stop, Alasia Oshodi, behind YTK petrol station. You can text me or send your message on WhatsApp. I will direct you. I will direct you better. Yes, I told you along. I can tell you that you can use looking mirror to receive favor from people. Yes, to get what you need. Yes, this is looking mirror. Looking mirror. You can use it to receive favor from people. What do you do? How do you do it? When you wake up in the morning, you have a standing mirror. It's all right for you. You will just take toilet roll to clean the face, to start a new life for you. If you cannot buy another new mirror, but it's advisable to buy a new mirror. To buy a new mirror. So whenever you want to go outside, you will know it is good for you alone. You will hold the mirror. You look at it as I'm looking at myself. I am Sesan Adewusi, Tantolorun, Baba Oloyin original. Anywhere I go today, people must receive me. They must receive me with favor. They must show mercy on me. I must not see bad people on the road. I am traveling today. I am going outside today with my car. I must not get accident by the special grace of God. Mr. Sesan Adewusi, I am seeing myself in the mirror. You are my partner now. As I'm seeing you, nothing evil things must not happen to me. Yes. You pray anything you want. You are going to an interview. You are going for an interview. Just hold the mirror. See yourself like this. As I'm seeing myself. See. Nothing should happen to me. I must go. If I'm going to shop, I must make money today and come back to rejoice with my family. No evil things must befall me by the special grace of God. Say it. All the prayers you want. Try it. Do it every day. There is power in the tongue. When you are looking at your shadow, there is power in it. I've told you, I taught you how you can use your shadow to get what you need. Go and check my past video or check my book, African Power. You will see it there. This one is different from how to get back your runaway wife. How to get back your runaway husband. That one is a small soap. You prepare the soap. You will put that one at the back of your glass. Anytime you take the soap to bath, you look at the mirror, you look at the, you mention the name of the runaway wife or husband. Expect that one in a new book. Part 2, African Power, Part 2. Not yet out. Many people are warning me for that. How you can overcome court cases. You will see it, that one. I told you about these rules. It's in African Power Part 2, present one, African Power, the latest book. How you can use these rules. When you buy the book, you will see it there. Don't forget, the program you are watching is Kenny Show Television. And my phone number is 081 084 31 336. It's on the screen. Some people will see it like this. They will still be sending messages on WhatsApp or Gmail or on the comment section. And can I have your phone number? The phone number is on the screen for you. But send your messages on WhatsApp. That will be easy for me to reply. Send all your messages on the WhatsApp of this number. The WhatsApp you are seeing on the screen. 081 084 31 336 is on the screen. And don't forget to share this program among friends and relatives. And if you have never subscribed, subscribe to this channel, Kenny Show Television. Kenny Show, always subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. If you have never subscribed, subscribe. If you have subscribed before, no need. And don't forget to watch my sister station, Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. Also watch that station. You see me, I posted many videos there. And don't forget to watch Mr. Lasbon Comedy. Just press Mr. Lasbon Comedy. Adewusi. Immediately you press Mr. Lasbon Comedy, it will bring to you the video. I posted some videos there concerning how you can treat yourself, how you can heal yourself, spiritual work, what you can do for yourself. Watch Mr. Lasbon Comedy. Adewusi. Put Adewusi there. Once you put Mr. Lasbon Comedy, it will bring it to you. You will see Mr. Lasbon Comedy. You see all the things I posted there. And Baba Oloyin Original Television. Don't forget the phone number is 081 08 43 1336. Some of the things we are calling me for, they are the rules. Try to buy African Power, honey as a medicine, healing power of honey, solution to woman problems. What going to do? And in my new book, I am trying as much as possible to make sure that the things you can see available in your area, they are posted, they are written in the new book. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.
Baba Oloyin, Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí, ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.